Project-specific requirements can really increase modeling time. But the client wants the joints to be detailed, in a specific way, and there is nothing you can do about it. Or maybe, you yourself have a unique detailing style, and the default behavior of the software is different. Whatever the case may be, IntelliClone will come to your rescue. Just detail the joint exactly the way you or your client wants. Select the node you have finalized and press the Show Similar button to immediately see where else in the model similar nodes exist. Note that the target nodes have not even been adjusted yet. Will COMOSYS be able to clone them? Is it really possible? Just press Clone All, and take a sip from your tea, as you watch the rest of the similar nodes being adjusted and connected by COMOSYS. Yes, exactly like you adjusted and detailed the source node. Even your manual changes and additions have been respected. And did you notice how even minor variations and approach angles have been accommodated? Now that is truly amazing. Can you feel the bottom line turning green? Don't hide it, I can see that smile. Just continue detailing the source nodes and the similar targets will magically be cloned flawlessly before your eyes. This feature could revolutionize your business. Allow you to do more work in less time. What are you waiting for? Get rid of your current software, and leave your competitors behind in your new Ferrari.